Yes, if you can't feed your excess energy back into the grid, what's the best way of doing it? Is that about right?
Yeah. Okay. My system is off-grid too, so I'm familiar with what you're saying. I do rely on a lot of battery storage. Now, the leisure batteries you've got will certainly help, but there are specific batteries that are designed, deep cycle batteries, for holding energy for a lot longer. And they are more of an investment. The good quality ones should last you 20 years, and they are recyclable on the parts of them afterwards. So it's worthwhile looking into. But storage of that energy is a real key part to making the system work. You've also got to think about what you're generating and the size of the batteries you're storing it in, and the distance between those batteries and where you're using the power. Because when you've got direct current, you get voltage drop over distance between the end use and the storage position. So you have to get the correct cable sizes to do that. So it sounds like you probably need to do a little bit more research. There's a very good book, 12 volt solar power, isn't it?
Do it yourself 12 volt solar, which is at the back.
At the back? You got that? Yeah. That's got some really good guidance in it on batteries. Yeah. Ah, there you go.
And that's the lady that was on the cover. It's called a cycle.
Yeah, we also live off-grid. We live in the on site, so we live off-grid with solar panels and deep cycle batteries. Yes. And they do us really well, actually. I mean, obviously, it's all about what you use and how you become extremely conscious about how much you use, how much you use, and how efficient you are. And you become very quickly used to living a slightly different way, and it's not uncomfortable. It's just what you get used to, and it's great.